Hi, and welcome to my channel, My Heaven Zero, Retired and Inspired. How is everyone today? Today I got this guy with me. He's standing around looking at me, peeking through the door, wanting to come in. This is Snickers, right? Are you Snickers? Yeah. He's my little dachshund. I've had him for about a little over a year. He was a rescue at 6.5, so he's 7 now. We also have a sister, Roxy, and she's a Shih Tzu mix, and she's not up here right now. You never know, she might show up, but at some point you'll meet her. And Roxy is 9 years old, and she's also a rescue. I rescued her a little bit sooner than him, after I lost my 18-year-old chocolate lab. My dog's lived a long time. Anyway. Hi, how are you today? Welcome to my channel, My Heaven Zero, Retired and Inspired. I'm excited to be here today because I'm going to do another wig unboxing. I've been wearing wigs for many years, but mostly pieces. And I started wearing them because I just didn't have time to do my hair, and there was a reason for that. I'm not going to go back into it, but there was a reason for it, and I would just pull my hair back and up, and then I would put a hairpiece in to get my hair like a poof. So I wore a lot, and I've bought them from various places. I bought them from Ulta, I bought them from QVC, just all different kinds of places, and I have several. And then I just recently started actually wearing wigs. I'm very thin up at the top here. I do use Joan Rivers. There's a powder out that you can put on your hair and make it look like you have a lot more. It just covers up because basically you can see your scalp, and it helps to keep your scalp from showing through. So that's what I kind of do, and my hair is quite long, and so this next wig is quite long, and it also is the same color as my hair right now. So let's move on with it, right? So it's a Paula Young wig, and I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this. And this is the box that it comes in, the Paula Young box that it comes in. This is the Ashlee A5466, and it's color 1488A, root number 8, size A, which is average. And it's a blonde wig with darker roots, which is something that, I do the darker here, but you'll notice I don't have a whole heck of a lot of hair. So when these wigs come and I put them on, then all of a sudden it seems like I have way too much hair. It doesn't seem real, but I guess you just got to get used to it, right? So let's see. Let's take it out. Here it is. Here's the wig. You can see the darker colored roots and the blonde color. So it's pretty. I'll unpack the paper. Okay, and here it is. It's kind of the length of my hair, and it has really long bangs. I don't know, since I don't have bangs at all. And has some long bangs in front. And the inside's got the lace top here, and then the wells in the back. And of course it has your pull tabs in the side. The earpieces, there is a little bit of wire in there for, you can feel that. And it is a size average. So it's really pretty. It feels really nice. It feels really nice. It really does. Of course, I've got the tags on it. See how this one looks to see if I'll keep this one. But like I said, it's pretty close to my own hair color, so hopefully it'll look good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get this on and be right back. So this is it without doing anything to it. It kind of just looks like me. It looks like my kind of hair. Now this wig is heat resistant, so you can use heat on it. The bangs are really long, so that would not be something I would like. I'd have to trim them for sure. Look at how they hang in my face. Interesting. Well, this is without doing anything to it. Oops. Let me turn around and show you the side. This is the back. Just too much hair falling in my face here. What is that? I'm not used to that. And there's the other side. Sorry, my dog's barking downstairs. For some reason, he's having a barking day. All right, well, let me go and do something with this, and when I come back, we'll see what we think. I'll be back in a little bit. All right, well, I've trimmed the bangs a little bit. I have a little bit of problem of the hair on this side of my head. This side doesn't look too bad. And actually the hair right here, this is actually my hair blended in with it. So on the side, my hair is the same. And actually I have dark roots, so you can see the dark roots. They kind of match the roots up here. So that's okay. But when you come around this side, I'll show you, it just seems a little odd on this side to me. The back is nice. I think the back is nice. And this side isn't too bad. If it still looks the same as when I was looking at it. So we're getting a clear picture. Not sure. So I did cut the bangs quite a bit because they were just, and they're still hanging halfway down. I did try to put heat to it, but the bangs just got flat, so I'm going to have to use a curling iron probably, versus I had a curling brush, and I don't think, and it was a big bulky curling brush, so probably wasn't working. But it's exactly my hair color. On this side too, I have my hair pulled out, so my hair matches down here. This is all my own hair. So in that respect, it's identical to my own hair. I like my hair a little bit more turned under, so when I'm wearing it. So I guess all in all, it's pretty nice. I kind of like it. I just got to get used to it. Ooh. But with my bangs, I definitely have to get them curled up because they are just way too long and hanging straight down. And I pulled my hair back farther too, because I have a pretty high forehead. So I think I like it. Let me see. Let me find it in here. Ashlee. This is the Ashlee VersaFiber wig that I have been wearing today for you. Now, in this particular catalog, it's for sale for $69.99. However, I paid $59.99 for this particular one. So, again, they do different sales all the time. So, and they have different coupons and different things going on. So you should always watch. But they do run differently in every sale catalog, usually by about $10 up or down. So, but that's Ashlee. Overall, it's a good wig. I'm going to wear it tomorrow, I think, so I'm going to do some work on it. We'll see you. Thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great day. And if this has helped you in any way, hit the like button. Hit subscribe if you want to see any more videos from me. Who knows? And take care. Bye. Thanks for joining. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mwah.